Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce spending on books with Barnes & Noble, beginner guide step by step clearly. To reduce spending on books at Barnes & Noble, start by signing up for the Barnes & Noble membership program. This program offers you 10% off most purchases. Next, check for promotions and special sales on the Barnes & Noble website. These discounts can apply to specific genres or seasonal sales. Utilize their online clearance section to find significant markdowns. You might discover books at deeply discounted prices. Consider purchasing used books when possible. The bargain books section features new titles at lower prices. Make sure to join the Barnes & Noble email newsletter. This will keep you updated on upcoming sales and promotions. Another tip is to participate in the in-store events. These events can sometimes provide discounts or free books. Keep an eye on holiday sales events, as they often have deeper discounts. For avid readers, consider recommending books to friends. You may access additional discounts through referral programs. Always compare prices with other retailers before making a purchase. If you're a student, inquire about student discounts available in-store or online. Lastly, take advantage of gift cards and rewards points. These can help lower your total costs on future purchases. By following these steps, you can enjoy your reading while spending less at Barnes & Noble. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.